Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get Fortnite on PC. So in order to do that, just head over to our browser, and what you need to head over is to this URL link right here and search for Fortnite. And once you're in there, you can see this official website of Fortnite, which is the fortnite.com, and you can see under here the download button. Just click on that, and then this will direct you to this page. You have those options in order to download it or play it. You can use it to your Epic Games launcher on PC, your PlayStation, your Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or your mobile. So since this is a PC, let's click this Epic Games launcher, and then this will download the installer for us. So let's just wait for it for a while. And as you can see right now, it has installed, so let's click it. This will appear. Let's click on install. And you can see here the status of installing the Fortnite. Then this will install prerequisites. And then after that, it will proceed you to the login page. So you just need to create an account or log in, and you will be able to use Fortnite on your PC. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.